Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hello loves, this is Febrina. Okay, being an author and copywriter myself, today I would like to introduce you just a quick overview of what copywriting is and what it's not. Alright, so are you ready? But before that, please like, comment below, hit the bell button to subscribe. It would mean so much to me, okay? Thank you so much. Okay, let's start. So first, what is copywriting? So there's a lot of misconception about copywriting, and this another part of, another uh, copywriting with a different spelling. So the one with Copyright. Okay, so copyright. This one, it means like it involves patents, protecting your work. Intellectual property rights and trademarks. So that is copyright, the one with the symbol C and then the circle. So that is copyright. But what is copywriting? So this is a profession of the process of the ability of using written words to persuade someone to take action. Okay, the magic word there is take action. All right. And it's also the ability to persuade, influence, and engage people to take action. Another word again, action. Okay, so in short, it's selling and closing in print. So example, it's if you are, for me personally, I am a copywriter. I am selling my copywriting services. So in short, it has less to do with writing, but more with selling and ultimately closing. So like a salesman, so he is selling his products. So, okay, let's go back here to, let's go deeper. Call to action or CTA, this is to sell your products or services to let, or example, if you're a course creator, you have a program, your CTA or a call to action, it means you want them to enroll in your program or to increase your subscribers or whatever. And if you're selling something, if you're an e-commerce, do you have an e-commerce store? You're selling your products. For me, I'm a copywriter. I'm selling my services. So I have call to action. So example, on a website, after the value post, usually you'll see there below call to action. Okay, so click this link or opt in to my newsletter. So usually that is a CTA or a call to action. It means you are writing in such a way that you are, you want someone to take action, usually right away, right? So you are selling or closing in print. It's more in selling and not really writing, okay? Because copywriting involves researching about your market, and it's not about your writing genius, okay? It's not how flowery words you use, but it's writing as simple as you can in a way that your market resonates with what you write and with the voice that they understand, okay? And you can see copy everywhere, all right? On the huge billboards outside, on TV, radio ads, prints, on newspaper, and usually these days on online. You see the long form sales page. If you scroll down, you'll see the call to action. Usually it's in the red button, click here, or you'll see it's directing you to another page, the checkout button. So that's the click to a call to action. It could be they're trying to close you. So that's what copywriting is all about. Okay, you are writing for someone to take action. Okay, that's it. I hope you learned something new for today, and thank you so much. Please don't forget to like or comment below, or most of all, subscribe. Okay, have a nice day, everyone. Mwah.